Right, here it is then. So my Cyldon or Cyldon, whatever. 13-2. Strip this thing down today to replace the steam pipe underneath. And I think we've got some steam there, so there we go. Yeah, it's not the easiest thing in the world to strip down, I must admit. This bracket here is quite difficult to get out. Clever, wasn't it? Well, the best steamers in the world, I must admit. I think a lot of it is to do with those wicks in there. I think need to be a little bit bigger, just to give it a bit more flame, a bit more heat under there. As you can see, I don't know if you can see. They are on the bottom of that, but they don't appear to be burning that fierce or that hot. But, I think I'll put some different wicks in there and I'll probably get a little bit more power out of it. It does stop now and again, and I suspect it's using up whatever steam is in there. Yes. Obviously as the water goes down, more steam appears in that boiler. But at the beginning, you can see now it's picking up. So the water's depleting in the boiler, more room for steam. Anyway, that'll do for now. Successful repair. Scale 1 to 10, probably 7. Main reason is where you're soldering that steam pipe underneath is right next to the seam on the boiler. So you'll be a little bit careful because that all comes undone. But, anyway, that's it. Thank you.